Important, you must know this before ever using turmeric again. Before using turmeric, you will want to know the different and beneficial ways for it to be able to absorb into your body. Turmeric, also known as curcumin, has many different health benefits. But first, you need to know how to use it in order for it to absorb and work properly in your body. Yes, you can just start adding it to your diet. But in order to get the full effects of turmeric into your body is a whole different story. Here are some different ways that it can help to be better absorbed into your body. Black pepper. Black pepper increases the bioavailability of turmeric into your system. Before it can be absorbed into your system, turmeric is often metabolized. The reason black pepper helps turmeric become more bioavailable into your system is that the main active ingredient in black pepper is piperine. Black pepper helps many other drug or supplement be absorbed into your system. Black pepper when heated also protects food against carcinogens that can form on food when grilled or fried. It also doesn't lose its antioxidant properties when heated like most foods. Fat soluble. Turmeric being fat soluble means that it dissolves in fat. Without being dissolved in fat, it usually doesn't make it past the stomach into the small intestines, where it will be absorbed into the bloodstream, where it provides its greatest benefits to your body. Any recipe with oil in it would be the best to receive the most health benefits of turmeric that you can. Heat. Boiling or roasting turmeric powder increases the antioxidant levels by more than 50%. Certain compounds of turmeric powder become available when heated that are not available when it is in raw form. When heated, it releases antioxidants that can protect against specific cancers and help prevent other serious diseases. Heating turmeric will help increase absorption into the body, and the amount that can be absorbed. So instead of just sprinkling it on your food like you would with salt, you should add it to your food when cooking it. These are just a few of many things you need to know about turmeric powder before you use it again. To gain the best health benefits from turmeric, use black pepper along with it. Use it in your cooking instead of sprinkling it on after it is already cooked. Lastly, use oil or other fats to dissolve it so it can make it past your stomach. These tips will all help you gain all the benefits turmeric has to offer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy learning from this channel, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment on your experience or insights on turmeric in the comments below. We love to learn new things from our viewers as well.